Hello, friends. I wanted to address some concerns about the massive war footing on which Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his team have been fighting to take the COVID pandemic head on. First and foremost, there's this whole narrative about India facing an acute vaccine shortage. So, let me tell you, the normal production cycle of a vaccine is between 12 to 36 months, even internationally. And we've managed to squeeze the production cycle to merely 3 to 5 months. By the end or even before 2021, India will have 216 crore dosages, conservatively speaking, and maybe 300 crore dosages, optimistically speaking. Now we have 94 crore adults, and to vaccinate the entire adult population, we need 188 crore dosages. So, to cut a long story short, what this effectively means is that before the end of 2021, India would not only have vaccinated its entire adult population, but will also be left with surplus vaccines. The second narrative about the second COVID wave starting due to the Kumbh Mela is wrong. Scientific studies have said the second COVID wave has its epicenter in Punjab, and this is borne out by the fact that while India's COVID fatality rate is the lowest in the world at 1.1%, do you know what the COVID fatality rate in Punjab, which is a Congress ruled state, is? It is very high at 2.38%. The third important point that I wanted to make is that the Varanasi model, Prime Minister Narendra Modi represents the Varanasi constituency. The Varanasi model, the command and control model, has worked exceedingly well with various arms of the administration working seamlessly. I think the Varanasi model is a classic textbook case that needs to be replicated across the country in further reining in the COVID pandemic. The most important part now is, will vaccines be available to the poor and marginalized at affordable prices? Yes, states will procure only 50%, but center will continue to procure 50% of the vaccines to ensure that they are not only given free to states, but to ensure that the poor, the marginalized and vulnerable groups continue to get them for free. So let's stand with the central government and work together in the spirit of one nation, one people. Thank you.